Tasty Chicken Manchurian Recipe. Everyone loves Hotel Style Chicken Manchurian. Now let's make it. This delicious Chicken Manchurian recipe can be made in 30 minutes. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 grams of chicken with bones. Add 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Chilli powder, 2 eggs, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Keep marinated for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can fry the chicken pieces. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add the chicken pieces and fry until it becomes light brown color on medium flame. Transfer it into a plate. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add 1.5 teaspoon chopped garlic, 2 green chilies. Saute it for 1 minute on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add 1 chopped onion, half chopped capsicum. Saute it for 2 minutes on high flame. Now keep it low flame and add the sauces. Add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Take 1/4 cup of water and mix 1 tablespoon corn flour. Add this to the curry. Mix it well. Now add the fried chicken pieces and mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Finally, add half chopped capsicum pieces and garnish our recipe. Tasty chicken Manchurian recipe is ready. If you are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 5 to 6 portions. We just need only 30 minutes to make this tasty chicken Manchurian recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.